Can I transfer files from my PC to my Kindle?
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about an important topic: how to transfer files from your PC to your Kindle. This is a valuable skill to have, as it allows you to move personal documents, downloaded ebooks, and more onto your Kindle device. Don't worry, it's quite simple, and we'll go through it step by step.
What types of files can you transfer?
Before we dive into the process, let's talk about the types of files you can transfer to your Kindle. The Kindle supports a variety of file formats including TXT, PDF, MOBI, PRC, DOC, DOCX, JPEG, GIF, PNG, BMP, and more. However, for reading purposes, MOBI is the preferred ebook format, although PDFs can also be used.
How to prepare your PC and Kindle?
First off, ensure your Kindle device is connected to your PC. You can do this by using a micro USB cable, the same type that comes with most Kindle devices and other electronics. Also, make sure you know the email address for your Kindle device. This can be found by going to the Amazon website, logging into your account, navigating to Manage Your Content and Devices under Your Account, and then selecting the Devices tab. Your Kindle email address will end with @kindle.com.
How to transfer files via USB?
The simplest way to transfer files is via USB. 1. Connect your Kindle to your PC using the micro USB cable. 2. Once connected, your Kindle device will appear as a removable drive on your computer. 3. Navigate to the Kindle's Documents folder on your PC. 4. Now, simply drag and drop, or copy and paste, the files you wish to transfer from your PC into the Kindle's Documents folder. 5. After the transfer is complete, safely eject your Kindle from your PC. 6. Your transferred files should now appear in the Kindle's library.
How to transfer files via email?
Alternatively, you can transfer files via email. 1. Compose a new email and attach the files you want to transfer. 2. Send this email to your Kindle's email address. If the file is a supported type, it will be converted, if necessary, and delivered to your Kindle device. 3. Check your Kindle device. The document should appear in your Kindle's library after a short while. Remember, this method uses the email address associated with your Kindle, and may require Wi-Fi to complete the transfer. And that's it. You now know how to transfer files from your PC to your Kindle, either through a direct USB connection or via email. We hope this guide has been helpful and you can now enjoy your personal documents and ebooks on your Kindle device. Happy reading!